Okay, let it go. Oh, careful. Careful. I don't know what he's going to do to you. Is that your lizard?
Yeah, you sure.
Get your thumb out of your mouth.
Hello, you sure? How do you see you?
Okay, let him go. Let him go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You are so like your mommy, just picking that lizard up.
You sure?
Okay, let's go inside and wash our hands so we can eat lunch. Bye, lizard.
No, my body shirt.
Okay, say see you later.
No, the washer.
You don't want to see you later? Well, we gotta go inside and wash our hands. Daddy made lunch.